Hi everyone, Del here, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a wee look at the procamptek spark wheel with the fire plugs as well. Apparently these are Zippo brass spark wheels, so we'll take a look at that and we'll just see how quick they are and how good they are to light this tinder. Now I tend to not use these. I like using the ferro rod and flint and steel. That's my preferred fire lighting choices, but we'll give this a go. You can pick these up for around about £5 in a kit. You can pick the tin up with the spark wheel and the plugs from the Bath Brushcraft store. This particular packet came from Bomb Survivor Supplies UK. So I've been buying a bit of stuff off them lately just because it's all pocket money prices. It's really good at doing flash deals, and if you keep a look out on his Instagram page you'll see flash deals that they come up really good. So let's have a wee look at this and see if we like it or not. So here we have the brass flint wheel from procamptek, and we're going to take a wee look at it and see how good it is. So in this little pack comes 4 of the fire plugs. These are really good. I do like these in the kit now. Some flash tinder and some spare flints. Now I was reading up on it and it was saying that it is actually a Zippo brass spark wheel. I don't really see any signs of it saying that it is a genuine Zippo, but if they say it is, then I'm sure it is. So we have the spare flints inside too. Packet of 3, you can pick these up cheap anyways. And the spark plug and some flash tinder. So let's take a look. I'm going to try, first of all I'll light some of the flash tinder, which is just cotton wool. I'd replace that and put some Vaseline in there. Vaseline cotton wool in there. It's always good for a spark. So let's take a quick look at this first. Just break the fibres up on it and let's see. So that lit well. You see it burning nicely there. Really surprised with that. Really quick. So let's break up one of these fire plugs that come with it. I'm breaking it up just to get the fibres exposed as nice as possible. With these fire plugs, sometimes if you don't expose all of it and you only expose a little part of it, it will actually stop burning and leave half a stub, which is okay if you're wanting to save on it, but I'm just going to use a wee bit of it just now. Don't see any point in using the whole thing. So let's see how good it is. I wonder if there's, I'm trying to find the best way to use the sparks. So using it on the surface, I'm finding this a bit fiddly if I'm honest with it. I wouldn't fancy the chances with the dexterity if it was really cold and wet. Now on the wheel itself you'll see an angle. The angled part, if you go down on that part and use the thumb on it like that. So let's expose a wee bit more. It is windy here today. It is Scotland, so let's give it another go. It did like that. It honestly did. I'm just going to fluff up the fibres a bit more. Just try and expose them a wee bit more. Just so there's more chance of it catching the spark. So there you go. It did go eventually after playing about. Now, because this was new to me, it took me a little bit of time there just to get used to how to spark that. We did get it going, so now we should be able, in theory, be able to do that a lot quicker on the next bit. So why don't we find out? I'm just going to try it again, see if my theory is correct. We got a hang of doing that, so it did light quick. Yep, there we go. It's just all about your technique, really. It only went out because it's so windy. Real-time testing, guys. So light again. So there you go. That's the brass spark wheel by procamptek with the fire plugs and the quick tinder. Thanks for watching, everyone. That was my first time using that, so not too bad. Now I'll get a hang of that. But as always, stay safe, keep prepping. Preppadale out.